Hello and welcome to this video on logical operators. So logical operators evaluate conditions and return a boolean value, so either true or false. This can be very handy in if statements and ternary operators, as you can combine multiple conditions together in one statement or line, saving you a lot of time while coding. So there are three logical operators. We've got the AND operator, which is represented by two AND symbols. We've got the OR operator, which is represented by two pipes, and we've also got the NOT operator, which is represented by a exclamation mark. So we're going to start off with these two variables in our examples. We've got one for logged in, and that's going to be true, and one has subscription, and that's also set to true. Right, so for our AND operator, it's going to compare two variables together, and for us to get a true answer, we need both of them to be true. In our if statement, our two conditions are logged in and has subscription. If the answer is true, we're going to get access granted. You can watch movies, so let's say you're logging into Netflix. And if the answer is false, it's just going to get access denied. You can be logged in and not have a subscription. You're not going to be able to watch a movie. You can have a subscription and not be logged in. You still can't watch a movie. But if you are logged in and have a subscription, access is granted, you can watch a movie. As we've got logged in set to true and has subscription set to false, the AND operator is going to return false because both conditions haven't been met. It's going to return access denied to the console. Next, let's have a look at our OR operator. So for the OR operator, we're going to have three variables. We're going to have the two we had above, so logged in and has subscription. And then we're going to have one extra, which is on free trial. So again, let's say you got Netflix. If you got a subscription, you can watch movies, and if you have a free trial, you can watch movies. So let's have a look. For this one, we're using a ternary operator just to cover all grounds. So as we know, our AND operator needs both conditions to equate to true for the condition to be met. Got logged in is true, so that's a tick for this one. And then the result of everything in the parentheses is going to be what the AND operator takes. So the OR operator only needs one of these to equate to true for it to return true. So as you can see, we got has subscription is true and on free trial is false. So as this is false, this is the true answer, and then that is what's going to be passed to the AND operator. So we've got true and true, which means access is granted. Now if I change this to false, then the AND operator is going to have true and false, meaning no access for you. And also, I'm pretty sure you can't have a subscription and be on a free trial, but even if both of these were set to true, the AND operator is still going to get a true, and the result it's looking for in this case will be access granted, even if that freak occurrence does have. But that is how the OR operator works. Next, let's just take a look at the NOT operator. So for our final one here, we've only got one variable. So we've got is logged in true, so are they logged into their account? Without using the operator at the moment, we've got is logged in, and then if true, it's going to be welcome back user, and if it's false, it's going to be please log in. So let's just have a look in the terminal. So we've got welcome back user because it's currently set to true. Now, the way that the NOT operator works, it's going to turn whatever the current variable is set to the opposite. So if it's true, it's going to be set to false. If it's false, it's going to be set to true. The way we use it, we just put the NOT operator in front of the variable. So if we log this to the console, you can see that it's no longer true. So we're getting please log in the terminal. If I set this to false, as we've got the NOT operator, it's going to say that it's now true, and it's going to put welcome back user into the terminal. And that's it for logical operators. So we've gone through the AND operator, the OR operator, the NOT operator, and we've also used it in a if statement with a ternary operator. So we've covered a few different bases here. Now you are a pro at logical operators, my work here is done. If you want to learn about any other operators in JavaScript, check out my other video. Alright, I will see you in the next one. Bye.